Katie Price has been branded a catfish as her latest Instagram selfie left fans less than convinced. The former glamour model, 43, this week revealed her new blonde hair extensions following a holiday in Thailand with fiance Carl Woods. 5. Katie Price has been accused of being a catfish after posting her latest selfie credit, Instagram/Katia Price. 5. Fans insisted she had used Photoshop to alter the sleeked and imageCredit, YouTube. Katie then uploaded a snap which saw her perched on her bed as she described how she was nice and tanned from the getaway. Katie captioned it, "Back from holiday nice and tan doing photo shoots already for my new projects, 2 hearts, 2 hearts." Yet the comments section was flooded with suggestions the glowing shot, which highlighted her impeccably smooth skin, had been tweaked. One wrote, "Great filter too, smiley face," as another posted, "Catfish, you don't look like that, smiley face, smiley face." A third continued, "Haha, she don't even look like this anymore," as another argued, "If that's not photoshopped, I don't know what is." A fan then sarcastically wrote, "Tell me you're obsessed with photoshopping without telling me you're obsessed with photoshopping." One then reassured the star and wrote, "Aw Katie, it's okay to be in your 40s, age is a privilege, just be you. You don't need to filter so heavily, heart." Another agreed and added similar sentiments, writing, "But darl, you don't actually look like this. You look so lovely when you're just natural without a filter." Meanwhile, another follower chose to focus on her striking new look and put, "Gorgeous at Katia Price, you defo should go back, dark hair soon, romantic face, fire, 20. It comes after Katie's fans voiced their concerns the star didn't take care of her skin properly on her recent Thailand holiday. In her latest YouTube vlog, Katie and fiance Carl Woods visited Pig Island just off the Koh Samui coastline. Katie's excursion came a day after she had a new sleeve tattooed on her arm and she admitted it was sore and swollen. That didn't stop her though, and she put on her bikini and boarded the boat for the short trip. While viewers loved the content, they were concerned about Katie's skin being damaged by the sun. One commented, "The piggies were so cute. That sunburn looks painful though." Another posted, "Katie, you know you're not supposed to get your brand new tattoo wet. So no swimming or sweating of any kind, and no sun. Not until it's all healed. It affects the healing process, and that affects how the tattoo will look like once all healed." A third said, "That tattoo looks great. Hope you put tons of sunscreen on it while at the beach, D." Five. One fan told the former glamour model she didn't need to use as much filter credit, Instagram/Katia Price. 5. Katie recently returned from a holiday in Thailand credit, Instagram. 5. Katie and her fiance Carl Woods have recently returned from a holiday in Thailand credit, PA. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.